Hey, what's up guys? And here we will solve the challenge problem in slide 1-3. So given we have f of x equals x squared plus 1, g of x equals 2x minus 5, and h of x equals 1 over x squared. Now, we are asked to solve for the following. Number 1, f minus g plus h of x. Number 2 is f following g following h of x. And number 3 is h of 2 times f of negative 3 divided by g of 1. So let's start off by solving number 1. So that is f minus g plus h of x. Okay. So f minus g plus h of x, so all we need to do is we copy each function and then we add them accordingly. So let's start with the f of x, so that is x squared plus 1. So remember, at first we need to enclose them in parentheses to indicate that these are separate functions. Now, next is the g of x, so that is minus quantity 2x minus 5. Okay. Next is plus the h of x, which is 1 over x squared. Now, we will now simplify as we go on. So first is we will remove the parentheses for each. So first is x squared plus 1. Then next is the minus, since it's minus, so we need to distribute the minus sign. So you have negative 2x plus 5 and then plus 1 over x squared. Okay. Next line, we simplify it further. So you have now x squared minus 2x, and then 1 plus 5 is plus 6, and then plus 1 over x squared. Now we can actually stop here, although we can actually combine them via LCD. Okay. So number 2. So you have here f following g following h of x. Now, reminder that this is not a multiplication operation, but rather a composite operation. So this is actually the same as f of g of h of x. Okay? So hindi siya multiply. This is actually a composite of 3 functions. So, as what we do in composite functions, so we will simplify f, g, and then h of x is, remember, it's 1 over x squared. Okay. Next is we will evaluate g of 1 over x squared. So you have f of 2 times 1 over x squared minus 5. So simplifying, you have f of 2 over x squared minus 5. Okay. So next is we will evaluate f of 2 over x squared minus 5. So you have here 2 over x squared minus 5 quantity squared plus 1. So, this is a binomial expansion, so we will expand. So, you have 4 over x to the 4th minus 2 times 5 times 2, that is 20 over x squared, plus 5 squared is 25 plus 1. Then, simplifying, you have 4 over x to the 4th minus 20 over x squared plus 26. Okay, so if you want this one combined into one LCD, then you can also have this answer, 4 minus 20x squared plus 26x to the 4th. Okay, so for the last part, number 3, we have h of 2 times f of negative 3 divided by g of 1. So for this one, we can do it in the same manner as with number 1 or number 2. But if you are given with numerical inputs, it would be better to solve the individual functions first. Then we combine them later on. So let's start off with h of 2. So h of 2 is 1 over 2 squared, or that is 1/4. Next one is f of negative 3. So you have quantity negative 3 squared plus 1. Or you have 9 plus 1, or that is equivalent to 10. Next is g of 1. So g of 1 is 2 times 1 minus 5, or that is 2 minus 5, which is equivalent to negative 3. Now we can finally do the operation h of 2 times f of negative 3 divided by g of 1. So we will substitute the outputs that we have solved a while ago. So you have h of 2 is 1/4 times f of negative 3 is 10, then divided by g of 1, which is negative 3. So 1/4 times 10, it's actually 5/2, then divided by negative 3. So 5 halves divided by negative 3 is negative 5/6. So we have here our final answer. Okay, so thank you for watching.